Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this battery life update on my OnePlus 8. 8 is the number. Today I got over 8 hours of screen on time, and right now we are at 12%. We're going to go into the settings here in just a moment, and you can see exactly what the screen on time is with 12%. Man, what a crazy day. And I was using my OnePlus 8 a lot. There's the graph right there. Unplugged 11 hours ago from charging. Yeah, I was taking pictures, shooting video, creating content, watching YouTube videos, phone calls, messaging, web browsing, doing lots of homework. And of course, I had chores to do because I didn't work. I had to take care of the essentials, but I was doing a lot. When I don't work, that's when I have that much more time to play with any smartphone that I bring in during the reviewing process. So today I got that opportunity and I took advantage of it. Now, I'm not a gamer, but I do take in a lot of media. That's where I spend a lot of my time in between everything else. So let me know down below in the comment section if you have the OnePlus 8, what you're digging or not digging about your OnePlus 8. What's your battery life like? I know we're all different. We don't all do the same on our smartphones, but I'd be interested to know what you do on yours, especially if you have the OnePlus 8, and hopefully it's treating you good as far as battery life, screen on time. Every day's different. I don't do the same things every day. There are things that I do that are the typical, but sometimes that pattern is changed up, so I never know what I'm going to get. But I know just from the last couple updates that I've given you here on my Project 13, the future is great with this smartphone. Anyway, thanks for watching. God bless. Stay safe and healthy. Appreciate all of you. Peace. God bless. I already said that. Okay, I'm out.